So today's feature is a summer glory. Now, I've had this plant for a little over a year. Bought her in March of 2023. She was a small cutting. And I've got to say, when I first got her, she was slow to go. She's very slow to grow. Didn't do very much. As you can see, she's a little thirsty. Her leaves are all wavy and stuff. I'll give her some water after this video. But I wanted to spotlight her because I think that she has actually shown her potential. Now, the Summer Glory is, I believe it's a mix of the Macaulay Finale, and I'm not sure what the other parentage is. But you can see the Macaulay Finale in it because of the color of the leaves. It has this orangey tinge when the leaves first come out, and as they harden off, they turn to this green, and the back sides are kind of orangey. And she's just a striking plant. Now, the one thing to know about this plant, if you're interested in it, is that it is a crawler. Right now, I do have her in a round pot. As you can see right here, she is reaching the end of that pot. She's due for a repot, not necessarily because she's root bound, but just because she's running out of space to crawl. And I do want to give her the best possible chance of showing me what she can do by putting her in something where she can move a little bit more freely. This plant has been super easy to grow. I have moved her several times, and she doesn't have those, how do you want to call them? Not fainting spells, but she's not dramatic. So I've been able to move her and place her in different places. And as long as she's getting bright and direct light, she's been happy. Right now, she's actually living on top of that cabinet, and she has a grow light that hits her from the front. And then there's sun that comes in through these windows in here, which is east facing. She doesn't get direct light. It's more bright, indirect light. I water this plant, I want to say there's no schedule. As I've mentioned before, I usually walk around the plant room and touch everybody to see what they're doing. From what I can tell, she does need water right now. I do have her in this clear pot inside of this catch bowl, and I can see her roots are like all over the place right now. And they're coming out the bottom. And my rectangular pots, as I've shown before, are a little large. So I'll probably end up doing my little MacGyver move and cutting that pot in half so that I'm not worried about root rot. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this plant because I think that it's one of those plants, if you have the space for her and if you can allow her to crawl, you'd be pleasantly surprised at how easy she is to take care of. And that's the goal, to show you some plants that we may overlook that actually have a pretty growth pattern, have big, pretty leaves, and that are easy to take care of. And this is one of them. So if you love philodendrons and you happen to see this one, go for it. She's one that I think you'll be highly impressed with at the ease of care and just the beauty of the leaves. So if you like this type of content, remember, like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. Hope to see you again real soon. Bye, guys.